Welcome back to another episode of Katie's Coming Over. If you watch part one of this living room makeover, then you already know we transformed this space. But today we're bringing the entire space together with what I think is the most important piece in any home, the sofa. When I design a room, I always tell the homeowners that your sofa sets the tone. It has to be beautiful, comfortable, and practical enough for real everyday life. So today I'm excited to share that I'm partnering with LINSY HOME once again to transform a living room. This is the Drip Power Reclining Modular Sofa from LINSY HOME. I love that it arrived in modular pieces, making delivery and setup so much easier. One thing I have to mention is that I love how easy LINSY HOME makes the whole setup process for their furniture, and the drift was not the exception, you guys. It is a modular, like I said. You're not dealing with one huge heavy sofa. You're able to bring the individual pieces into the room and position them exactly where they're gonna go and then just connect them as easy as that. And just like that, say hello to the Drift Power Reclining Modular Sofa from LINSY HOME. Now, this is definitely not your average recliner sofa. When I think of a recliner, I usually think big, bulky, and honestly, not always the cutest. But this one gives you all that comfort and functionality while still looking modern and aesthetically pleasing. One of my favorite features is the Zero-Wall Reclining design. The sofa can be placed really close to the wall and still fully recline, so you don't need to leave a huge amount of empty space behind it. That is such a great feature when it comes to maximizing space layout. Each seat reclines individually, which I love. That means everyone gets to choose their own comfort level. Now let's talk about the fabric because it's so good. It's really soft chenille performance fabric, so it gives you that cozy elevated texture while still being designed for real everyday living. Another feature that I really appreciate is the design, zippered with the cushions, that they can be removed, and also the fabric is spill resistant, so if water or a drink gets on it, you could wipe it right off. That's really what I wanted for this makeover, something that was aesthetically beautiful but still comfortable and practical. The Drift recliner sofa did exactly that, elevated the look of this space without sacrificing that cozy, relaxed feeling. It is definitely proof that a reclining sofa doesn't have to look like your typical recliner. Now that our main Our main piece is finally in place. Let's add some fall touches to this living room and bring this entire makeover together. There's definitely gonna be a part 3 of this living room makeover because I recommended that we get a new light fixture, paint the walls, and also get new accent chairs for this space. Let me know what you think down in the comments of those recommendations that I made to my friend. This is one of my favorite, I have to say, episodes of Katie's Coming Over this home because the transformation has been real. It's taking longer than expected, but it's okay. There's no need to rush into things. Do it little by little as your budget allows it, and that's exactly what we're doing here. I cannot wait to show you how this space turns out in the near future. I've been looking for a reclining sofa that gives you all the comfort without sacrificing the aesthetic. Definitely check out LINSY HOME Drift Power Reclining Modular Sofa. I will have the link in the description box for you. Don't forget to use my code. That is it for today's makeover. I'm so happy with how this living room came together. The drift sofa was really the perfect finishing piece. It gave us the comfort and functionality this family needed without taking away from the elevated look that we were going for. A huge thank you to LINSY HOME for partnering with me on today's video. I will have the Drift Power Reclining Modular Sofa link down in the description box for you. Don't forget to use my code. If you enjoyed this makeover, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and let me know down in the comments what you thought of the final look. And of course, stay tuned for the next episode of Katie's Coming Over. I will see you all on the next one. God bless.